Bug, tar, sap remover. Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. Just simply shake it, remove the cap, spray it. Don't have access to running water. Love bugs, love bugs, love bugs. Just because love is in the air does not mean everybody loves them. You're going on road trips, next thing you know, you have all this bug splatter all over the front end of your car, and you start thinking to yourself, how do I actually remove it? Do I need a soap? Do I need a degreaser? I'm here to tell you it's super, super easy using our brand new ClingShot Bug and Tar Remover and Sap Remover. All you do is shake it, foam it, and wipe it off. So I'm gonna be showing you guys two different methods on how to use this product. Let's get right into it. So there's two different ways you could actually use this product, and it's super, super simple and fun to do. All you need to do is just shake it, and then you go to the surface of the bugs or wherever the bugs are at, and then you're gonna go ahead and start misting it. So look, on the left side, I'll be doing the foaming and wipe method, and on that side, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to rinse it off. So if you're this person that lives in an apartment and don't have access to running water, so if you're that person that does not have access to running water, all you need to do is grab a clean microfiber towel, and then you'll go to the surface, and then you'll just start wiping it back and forth. So this cleaning formula actually has high amounts of lubricity, so it's going to help you remove all of the bug guts away from the surface of the car. Because look, bug guts over time, they actually can deteriorate the look of the vehicle as well. Just imagine how much bug splatter is actually landing on the surface of the car. It's almost like a bird dropping. If you don't remove it properly, over time, it could damage your plastics, it could damage your dipped chrome pieces, as well as your headlights. So look, all of that was stuck onto the surface of this car, but luckily for me, using the foaming agent of ClingShot Bug Tar Sap Remover helped me remove everything. So on this side, I'm gonna just leave it alone. I know I said I would be showing you guys how to use the water on that side, but I'm gonna go ahead and foam up the whole entire hood, and I'm gonna show you guys the water method on this side. So you guys can have a big before and after. So shake the bottle, mist it. Now, if you are working in direct sunlight, there's two different methods you could use. One, foam it up, let it sit for about a minute or so, let it dwell, and then rinse it off. But look, this foaming agent is trapping all of the bug guts. They're actually running off. And then after that, you just grab your water hose or your pressure washer and you start rinsing it down. My main focus was the grill of this car, and you guys can see the bug splatter is completely gone. You could either go with the wipe method or you could go with the water method. I'm gonna do this one more part right here with just my towel and no water, just so I can show you guys once again how simple it is to use this. Look, foam it, we let it sit, we sing a bit. Somebody that I used to know. After the lyrics is done, you grab your microfiber towel and you wipe it off clean. And if you need to go back and forth like an argument, but luckily for you, in this argument, you're gonna come out winning. Look at this. Removes all of the bug guts away from the surface of the bumper. The paint is glistening. The paint is shining. Look at that. That's disgusting. This is you versus the person telling you not to worry about right here. Wipe it right off. Paint is completely clean. So guys, let me just take care of this whole entire front bumper, the grille, the headlights. Sit back, enjoy this quick montage. Let's go. And just like that, we went ahead and removed all of the bug guts away from this Hyundai. Look, the grille's clean, the bumper's clean, and my favorite part is you could actually use this on raw plastic. You don't have to be worrying about anything, just simply shake it, remove the cap, spray it, rinse or wipe, and you're done. As always, guys, if you guys do like these videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here at 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗿𝗄. Ow! Ow!